Now, our main part is to solve MCQs and some problems, because these problems are very helpful to solve the problems, means to solve problems in competitive exam. Now, MCQ type questions. What is the moment of inertia? What is the moment of inertia of a solid sphere of density rho and a radius capital R about its diameter. Now the options are 105 upon 176 r raised to 5 rho. Second option 176 upon 105 r raised to 5 rho. Third option 105 upon 176 r cubed r square rho. And the next option is 176 upon 105 r raised to rho. Now see the MCQ very carefully. Simple MCQ is there. What is the moment of inertia of a solid sphere of density rho and radius r about its diameter? To solve this, first of all, moment of inertia about diameter, that is, as it is a solid sphere, means 2 by 5 mr square. So actually, this is the formula. Now, solid sphere, moment of inertia of a solid sphere. See, moment of inertia of a solid sphere, that is 2 by 5 mr square. Now here, you have to write the mass in terms of volume and density. Volume and density. Mass m is equal to volume 4 by 3 pi r cube density. Put the value here. That is ID is equal to 2 by 5 into 4 by 3 into pi r cube rho. This is the value of V and r square. Now, two into 4, or I will write like this, 2 4 upon 15 into pi is 22 by 7 r raised to 5 rho. One has to calculate this. ID is equal to 8 into 22 upon 15 7s are 105 and r raised to 5 rho. If you calculate this, 8 into 2 16, carry 1 8, again 8 gives us 16 plus 1 70, so 175 upon 105 r raised to 5 rho. So this is the answer, 176 upon 105 r raised to 5 rho, and the correct option is B option. So this now we will solve next MCQ. First I will write the MCQ. Moment of inertia of a rod. Moment of inertia of a rod of mass and the length L about its one end is capital I. If 1/4 of its length, 1/4 of its length is cut away, then moment of inertia of the remaining rod about its one end will be this moment of inertia of a rod of mass m and length L about its one end is R. If 1/4 of its length is cut away, then moment of inertia of the remaining rod about its one end will be. Now, moment of inertia of a rod of mass m and length L about its one end is I. If 1/4 of its length is cut away, then moment of inertia of the remaining rod about its one end will be. See, this is a rod. Before that, I will write the options. That is also important point. That is options. First, I will write the options. That is a 3/4I. B option 9/16I. C 27/64I. And the option is I upon 16. Now, to solve this, very simple. This is a rod. Moment of inertia about this. Moment of inertia of the rod about mass m, length L about its one end means we have to write the moment of inertia about this is I is equal to ml square by 3. Now, this is the moment of inertia that is given. Moment of inertia of a rod of mass m, length L about its one end is I. About one end means I is equal to ml square by 3. Now its length is cut 1/4. This 1/4 portion of the length, that is L/4, is cut, and the moment of inertia of the remaining rod about its one end. So the rod becomes this only, like this only. So in this case, the moment of inertia is I dash, its mass is m dash, and its length is L dash. So I dash again the same, that is ml dash by 3. L dash is equal to L minus L/4 because this portion is cut. So this becomes 3/4L. Length is similarly the mass also m dash is equal to m/4. So that also 3/4m. If we put these two in this equation, then we get I dash is equal to m dash L dash, m dash, that is 3/4m into means actually L dash square. So take the square of that is 3/4l. 3/4l square and divided by this. Already there is a 3, that is 3. So I dash is equal to 3 by 4 m into 9 by 4 m square 4 divided by 3. So this becomes 3 by 4 m into 9 by 4 m square into 1 by 3. So 3 get cancelled. So the equation becomes I dash is equal to 9 upon 16 ml square. 9 upon 16 ml square. But from this we have ml square is equal to 3r. So put here 3r. 9 upon 16 into 3r. So 9 into 3, that is 27 divided by 16r, and this is the answer, that is 27. I think there is some problem. That is 27. 3 by 4, I have made one mistake, that is 3 by 4, we have to square this. 16 is here, so here is also 16. So 16 into 4, that is 64. So here also 64. So 27 by 64. So this is the correct answer. Means when we square this, 3 by 4 whole square, 3 square is 9 and square of 4 is 16. So L square. So definitely here 9 by 64 ml square, 9 by 64 into 3r, because the value of ml square is 3r. So finally we get the answer, that is 27 upon 64r, and this is the answer of our MCQ. So carefully we have to observe all those things, and finally we conclude here this MCQ. Thank you.